An important distinction between sampling techniques is whether they're based on a probability method or a non-probability method. In a probability sampling technique, every unit, every person in the population has an equal chance of being chosen. In a non-probability sampling technique, some parts of the population may be more likely to be included than others. The simplest sampling technique is simple random sampling. You put everybody's name in a hat, you randomly choose some of those people. Another straightforward way of random sampling is called systematic random sampling, where you have some list of your population and you pick a random starting point, and then every fifth or seventh or 10th person from that list gets chosen. The important thing is that there's no pattern or order to the list. So it can be alphabetic, as long as alphabetic doesn't mean that there's some sort of significance to every 10th person in the alphabetic listing that you're using. So if you read a paper and it says that participants were chosen using simple random sampling, that just means that they had a big group of the names and they chose names randomly one by one. If it says they used systematic random sampling, they had some sort of listing. It's typically from medical records or census records, and they just chose a starting point and a random distance and chose each Xth subject from that list.